Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. To make this transition, we put two videos or images to our video tracks just like that. We are closing the opacity of the second one just for a while. Then we click the first image's event pen crop. We need to enable the snapping and sync cursor features. To start, we are moving our cursor to there, the edge point, and we are putting a keyframe there with this button. Then we move 7 frames forward from that point and drag our image down. We drag it until the upper edge of the photo. We are done with the first one, and we can turn on the opacity now. We drag the cursor to the point again and open the second image's event pen crop. We drag our image up at the first keyframe. Then we move 7 frames forward. And we drag our image to the center spot. To make it more smoother, we go 2 frames forward and drag our image 1 down. And 2 frames forward again and drag it back to the center. We are done with the event pen crop. Now from the video FX, we find linear blur and drag the vertical light onto our first image. We open our timeline and click on the first frame, and we make the amount 0 for that point. Then we drag our cursor to the edge of the second image and we add a keyframe to there. We move 7 frames forward and set our amount to 450. But you can adjust the number for your own like. We are done with the first image. We drag our cursor back to the edge point and add a vertical light effect to our second image. We open the timeline again and set the amount same with the last image. So we write 450 again. Then we move 7 frames forward and set the amount to 0. We are done with this one too, and our transition is ready. Hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.